Welcome to the Vegas trip. Lost track of days. Sorry about that. Friends, subscribers, internet strangers, appreciate you. Even if you're only here temporary. What's up? So I'm here in Vegas. It's Wednesday. Actually, it's Tuesday. I just skipped a day. It's hard enough in reselling to keep track of what day it is. When you're on the road reselling, you've been at a conference for 3 or 4 days, just not a conference, but it's a trade show, really looking at so much stuff, and we've been getting here at 9 a.m. By the time we grab something to eat or even go to a dinner with friends, you get back. We've gotten back every day at 11. The one night, Saturday was the night we got back early. We got back at 10. Excuse me, to the motorhome, the Taj Mahal, but we lost an hour, so it was 11. So for daylight savings time, just exhausted. So but I'm gonna put all these videos together. A couple of them I didn't get a ton of video. I think like Sunday, maybe Saturday and Sunday might go together. But so excited. My wife flies in today. She'll be here at 4:30. I need a vacation. So we will be here in Vegas until Friday afternoon, and then we will head towards the LA area and spend Friday evening, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday morning she's on a plane headed back. She leaves out of LAX at, I think I gotta have her to the airport 8:30ish, 8:30, somewhere in there. I think we can wait a little bit longer. She did the TSA pre-check, so she doesn't have to wait in line very long, which is good for her because with her back she can't stand a lot. So there's that. ASD, should have done this a couple years ago. Man, you're wandering around truly like a kid in a candy store. There are so much clothes out there that you can buy. And yes, I understand there are just tons of me's running around, so buying a lot of the same stuff. So there will be some pressure on the price. I understand that. But to get initial buys, to get to accounts so that I can buy things and have them shipped to me in quantity instead of driving is going to be a game changer. Also learning from John. John has really embedded into me the way his system works, and how he looks at a product and how he puts it through his system and it comes out the other side and in the sales. And it's truly amazing to see his mind work as there's money. And I'm like, the first day I was like, what do you mean, John? That ain't money. And he said, you do this, this, and this. You do this, this, and this. This is what happens. And I started looking up stuff. I'm like, it's like you're some kind of Rain Man with products. It's just absolutely insane. So I've gotten a lot of help from him on things to buy, and I'll be doing some things using processes similar to his. I tell everybody over and over, you can't be someone else. My business can't be John's. First of all, I don't want to be as large as John is. You have to understand. You have to decide. How much is enough. What do you need? What level do you want to be at? What amount of work do you want to do? So those are all personal questions you have to answer for yourself. These are just my learnings for the day, from the week, by the way. I've met all kinds of people. Yesterday I had probably an hour and a half conversation with the Thrifting Brothers. They have a YouTube channel. They haven't put out any videos lately, but man, two characters. They are funny. Great talk with the Thrifting Brothers. Man, they were a lot of fun. So it's unique when you get to talk with guys who do what you do. Not everybody here, Amazon sellers or whatever, but there's a different breed of us who get in the car and just say, let's just see how much I can find. I'm gonna go to this many stores. So a lot of the same travel, same issues, a lot of the same stuff. So I mean, there's several of us out here. Man, that was the weirdest light. It turned red, just turned around to turn green again. Oh, I bet I know what it is. There's an ambulance coming that way. I bet they've got the ability to turn the lights. Yeah. So there's some cities where emergency controls that turn the lights and all the cameras on the, I bet they just, that light just turned for, anyway. But sorry to do all this rambling this morning. First thing, I'm going to get some great pictures. Going to the airport, so I will get more pictures of the airport. I'm going to try. I know she wants to see the sign, the iconic "Welcome to Vegas" sign, and that's right by the airport. So, and it's in one of the videos. If I knew how to tell you, like all the rest of them, click here, it's in this video. I don't know how. So anyway, I got it on video, but it's I didn't know how to put an arrow to it or any of that kind of stuff. So, and by the time I was flying by, I'm like, oh, there goes the sign. I hope it was in the camera. So there's that. But it has been awesome. Haven't forgot you guys with videos. I appreciate you watching and being patient, as really it's just been wall to wall business, just socializing. It's been exhausting. I think last night when I started looking at the step counter, and it's like 17 miles the last 3 days of walking. The least day of any day was Saturday. It was like 15,000 steps. Yeah, my dog's tired. Shouldn't have put that 20 pounds back on that I lost over 38. That was a mistake. And it doesn't help that, as you know, these meals we've been eating some big meals. So when Johnny leaves next week, I will you'll start hearing about the low carb diet, because I've got to get down to a sustainable weight. So there's that. I don't have any idea what's going on in Reselling YouTube world or anything. It's been kind of strange not watching any videos, not really chit chatting with anyone, because I've just been so freaking busy. Sorry about the show this morning. So if you're watching this, I just couldn't get out of bed. It would have been 5 o'clock here. It was all I could do to get up at 7. It's now 8:30 here, our time, or Pacific time. And but Thursday from the hotel, if you're watching this even later, there will be a Thursday show. Tonight we're in the Trump Hotel. You know why? Because I'm making Reselling great again. Don't forget it. So there'll be great pictures of the Trump Hotel, just because Trump's the man. Look at all this dislikes. Ching, 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 ching. Hey, it is what it is. And then Wednesday and Thursday night, we'll be in Harrah's. John had a room for a week, because it's so busy and so packed this week that to get rooms, decent rooms, that they weren't sure if they were going to fly out or drive out, so they booked a room, and some of it was comped and some of it wasn't, so they kept a room. And so they were, man, John and Lord have been gracious. I can't explain to you enough how much time and energy and effort and how gracious they've been. Just wonderful people. But they're like, we're not going to use this room, so y'all need to use it. So we're taking the free room for 2 nights. We already went up there and looked at it, because another couple had it for the past. They're checking out tomorrow. It's a brand new room. The Harrah's is one. There's all the casinos on the Strip are probably nearly the same age. Some of the older ones, Harrah's are one of the older ones, but they're going floor by floor renovating, and this floor has been completely renovated, so it's basically a brand new room, and it's modern, nice. It's on the side with the high roller, so at night the high roller is gonna light up. So tomorrow's video, before I close it out, I'll get pictures of the high roller at night, some extended pictures that I'll see if I can't pick some great music. I got some comments about the music last time. See if I can find somebody else playing ukulele to something as it spins around, but it's hard to tell it's moving, because it's a 37 or 38 minute ride around, completely ride around it. It's just sort of inching up. Some cars have it's called an observation wheel, because the cars don't swing or move or anything, just they're stationary. And we are going to go on it, so I'll get some video going on it. John and Lori are going to go on it with us, and John's being a trooper, because him and Heights, he said, but they don't get along. But it's more of like a hotel room that sort of moves. They're pretty big. Some have bars, some don't. I'm sure we'll be in one that doesn't, because you can take or leave drinking. Don't get me wrong, we had a good time in Gatlinburg, and we're going to do it again. And but I don't need alcohol to have a good time. I am the party. I have a great time. Yeah, there's that. So, and with John, Lord have mercy. I've laughed. Man, he has messed with salespeople and carried on and carried on and carried on. It is to the point of now I'm messing with salespeople. It's just terrible. Oh, Lord have mercy. I need to get that one on video, but anyway, we're gonna sign off here for a minute. I'm gonna throw some video on the end of this, but I just wanted to update you guys, tell you that I hadn't forgot you, that I'm making videos, even though by the time you've seen this one, the other ones will probably have caught up. I just want to let you know what happened. Work. Do we really have to work all the time? But it's just, but a bit, I'm changing my business model. There's been a lot of thoughts, and I'll probably talk about it as I drive home, because I was looking at that route today, and I'm still not 100% sure which route I'm gonna take. And don't worry, Joe and Joany's here. We will go to some cannabis stores, so there's that to look forward to. Scott on gummy bears. If I eat some gummy bears while here, I'll get that on video, because hey, there's that. All right, good Tuesday morning to you. We'll get some video. All right, peace.
Probably.
Good God Almighty, I think I'm gonna go to a food coma now.
She don't.
Chicken and waffles at Hash House. Go.
Just take a picture then.
This is.
I don't know how to work this.
Hash House at Go. Whatever the hell I'm at. This is freaking amazing. The size of the food. That's a waffle. That's a pancake. There's your size comparison. It's bigger than John's head. Welcome back to ASD. This is row 1, Upper South Hall. And as you can see, it's, I don't know what time it is, 11 o'clock in the AM. Pacific time, and they're still, it's not quite as busy as it was yesterday. Yesterday's probably the busiest day. But it is still full of people. There are lots of salespeople wanting to buy stuff. Booths are still for sale. John has an entourage right here. It has now grown to like 7 of us total. So he is holding class. He is in his element. It's pretty awesome, pretty funny. All right, this is one joke. Headed to the airport to pick up Joany. Let's see if Gilbert Lee can do his magic one more time. Dude, $12. No payment due. Gilbert Lee wins again. He's the damn man, if you didn't know. Gilbert Lee has sponsored this video once again. Thanks, Gilbert. Zoom. Oh. I guess when the elevator's open, you don't need to wait for it. All right, I've been doing hotel rooms, but this is the Trump. This is the standard room.
Call me Melania.
There's my beautiful other half over there.
Catch flights, not feelings.
So this is just a normal suite, a normal studio. It's got all these are built in. That's you know you're in a Trump when the mini fridge is a Sub-Zero.
And the convection stovetop is
a wolf. There's a Keurig and all the cabinets. And here's the artwork over here. View out the window. We are on the 44th floor. So there's the Palazzo, something. Palazzo. It looks maybe to be, this one is 64 floors. We're on the 44th floor. We're 20 floors from the top. You get a chair. A very nice desk, nightstand. The big king size bed. You get a Joany. She's only been here an hour. I can't tell you how thrilled I am that after her being gone for 2 weeks, or me being gone for 2 weeks. We don't. I was hoping I was safe, but the bathroom. So that's the enclosure to the toilet. Here is the shower. Shampoo and stuff in there. Just a regular shower, but it is all it looks like marble. And then the vanity sink. and jacuzzi tub. I don't know if Dusty would ever get out of this one. That's pretty damn cool. So there we have it. All in fees, everything, $138 at the Trump tonight. So that was not a bad deal for a. Appreciate that, Prez. All right, signing off for this one. I don't know if this is the end of the day or we're still going out to eat. We're going to eat at Jimmy Buffett's place, and then I don't know what else.